Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a collaborator on Eventbrite. Here's how to add a collaborator to your Eventbrite event, allowing them to help manage the event details, promotions, or attendee list. The first thing to do is to log into Eventbrite. So go to Eventbrite homepage at eventbrite.com and log in with your account credentials if prompted. Once logged in the top right corner of your screen, click on your profile icon where your email address appears, and a drop-down menu will be provided. From the drop-down menu, select Manage My Events. This will open a new window with options in the left-hand navigation menu, which we have in here. Now, in the Manage My Events section, click on Events in the left-hand menu to view all your events. I do not have an event created, so there's literally nothing to show. So choose the specific event to which you want to add a collaborator. This will open the event dashboard for that event. So choose the specific event, click on the event, and it will open the event dashboard for that event. In the event dashboard, scroll down to the left-hand menu to find and select Manage Team. Sometimes under Settings or Event Management sections, depending on your account's permissions. In the Manage Team section, you'll see an option to add team members. Click on Invite Team Member. Then a form will appear where you can enter the email address of the collaborator you want to invite. After entering the email address, select the role you want to assign. Eventbrite offers several roles with different permissions, such as Event Manager, which gives full access to manage the event, Marketer, such person can manage marketing tools, Analyst, such person can view reports but can't edit event details, and Customer Service, such person can view and manage attendee information. Choose the role that best matches the responsibilities you want a collaborator to handle. Once you've set the permissions, click Invite. Now, once you click on the Invite button, that's it. Eventbrite will send an invitation email to the collaborator with a link to accept and join the team. Once the collaborator accepts the invitation, their name will appear in your team list under Manage Team. They can now access your event and perform tasks according to the permissions you have assigned. By following these steps, you can easily add collaborators to help manage your event on Eventbrite. Go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.